Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you what to do when your account in Roblox is hacked. So let's begin. So here we are in roblox.com. So first of all, I would want you to check first, like really check on if you had typed out your username and password correctly, because most of the time people are asking me that their account is hacked, but they just forgot that their caps lock is on, or maybe it's not on when it's supposed to be on. So you want to make sure that you are really typing the correct password right here and your username. You double check that. And if you think that you really have checked and you think that you really typed out the correct password and username and still you are not able to sign in, then one thing that I can suggest is you can have these options right here: email me a one-time code or forget password. So first, let's explore the forget password or username. So let's click on it. So once you click on it, you will have it right here. So if you forgot your password, you would need to enter your email to reset your password right here. So enter your email if you had it updated in your Roblox, associated with your Roblox, and you remember that email, then you can just go here and put that email right here. But if you had your phone number, that's even better. Then you can just click here and use phone number to reset password, and all you have to do is select your country right here on your number, and from here you want to type your phone number, and Roblox would send you the steps on how you can reset your password right here. Or if you forgot your username, you can also click here on username, and it's the same steps right here. So you need to get your phone number right here, so type your phone number, or for here you can type your email right here, and it's basically the same steps right here, either for password or username. So yeah, this is another option for you to get back your account. So now let's go back, and now that we're done with the forget password or username, now we're gonna try and explore this email me a one-time code. So when you click on this, it says that enter the email verified on your account to receive a one-time code. So what this does is that you will receive a code in your email, and from there you would need to go and submit it here so that you would be logged in on this device without having to put your password. But if you can go through this process, then you could also probably forgot password right here, because this also requires your email, and this would have you reset your password into whatever you like right here. So this is really not a good alternative if you can't use this one because you don't know your email or your phone number right here. And you can also use this right here. So if your account is logged in another device, then you could just use this option right here. It says use another device right here, and you would have to scan this code right here, or you could just go and copy this code right here, enter it in your logged in device, and from there, once you enter it, then you would be logged in on this device also. So this is a good way for you to avoid putting in your username or password even if you don't know. As long as it is logged in another device, then you can log in into your account right here. So now that I have shown you the different options that you have right here to retrieve your account, but if none of this worked for you, then don't worry, I have the last resort. And the last resort is basically the best one that you could make right here, although it takes a bit of time. And that is going here on help. So you have help right here, help button, click on it at the bottom of your Roblox login screen. And from here, you want to click on Roblox account. I need help with my account. And from here, you want to go here, my account was hacked. What do I do? You want to click on it, and you would see the different steps right here that you can do to recover your account. Then you could also follow this before proceeding to the next step that I'm going to show you, just to be sure that you have no other way of accessing your account. So if there is really no way, then you can go click here on need more help, contact support here. And from here, you can go provide your username or first name right here and your email address. So if you don't know the email address that is associated with your Roblox account, then you can just go and put it a new email address wherein you can make sure that you can open this email address, because this is where Roblox will communicate to you and would provide you the steps that you need to get your account. So once you've done that, then you can go here in the issue details. So select your device right here, whatever you have. And yeah, whatever you have right here. So if you have an iPhone, then you can go for iPhone right there. And type of help category, you can go for account hacked right here. And your description of the issues right here. For example, this is just an example. I don't want you to copy this word for word. My account is hacked. Please help me get it. I forgot the username and password and have no and cannot remember the email, just like that. Or maybe in your case, you only forgot the passwords, and that is very good if you can remember your username. But yeah, you need to put your own words right here according to your situation, okay? Don't just copy what I just put there. That is just a sample. And also, you can also select this right here. I forgot. You can go for account hack depending on what you have, your issues right here. So account hack right there. And yeah, after you have done this, you can just go and click on submit. And after that, you just need to wait for 48 hours max. And that would just, that is not really the usual time that the Roblox response is usually within a day. So it doesn't really take 24 hours, like 5 hours maybe tops, that I have experience in communicating with Roblox. I have received it after just 5 hours or 6 hours of sending them this email on contact us. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.